Alright, language explorers. So let's look at today's commonly confused words. So adverse, adverse, and averse. So adverse, preventing, stopping something from happening. So I had an adverse reaction. That didn't help. They behaved adversely to the plans. They are, or he is always adverse to my ideas. Yeah. She's sometimes adverse to his, or to the, to the business, for example, or to the family, anything. Stopping the ideas. So adverse, like an adversary, adverse. And averse, a strong disliking to something. He is averse to the plans. His averse to the plans were obvious. I am averse to going there. Yeah. She is averse. She used to be averse to hiking in the mountains, for example. Yeah, but she's changed since then. We were averse to it. We were so averse to it, we had them changed. Yeah. I was averse to that idea, but then I changed my mind as I learned new things. Yeah. I was averse to it, but I changed my mind. And he is facing a lot of adversity in his business from other people. Maybe they are jealous. Adversity, stopping you. And averse, really don't like something. No thank you. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, so adverse and averse. Yeah. So, can you use them in a sentence? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.